Hi friends, welcome to our channel Lifestyle with Shenica. Today we are going to learn how to make hot chocolate. Let's see what are the ingredients we require to make this hot chocolate. Around 400 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can use any brand of cocoa powder for this. 1 tablespoon corn flour, around 4 tablespoons of sugar. These are the ingredients we require to make this hot chocolate. Let's see how to make this. Add the corn flour along with the cocoa powder and mix it well. Along with this, add little by little of milk and mix it into a paste consistency. If you add the dry mixture directly into the hot milk, they may form the lumps. So that we are going to mix it into a paste consistency and we are going to add in the hot milk. Now look at the consistency of this. This is so smooth in texture. This is the correct consistency. Let's keep it aside and let's boil the milk. Now take a saucepan and add the 400 ml of milk in it. Along with this, add the 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now let the milk come to a boiling point. Once the milk comes to a boiling point, add the cocoa paste along with this and mix it well with a whisk or a spoon. Now let it boil for another 2 minutes in slow flame. The consistency of the milk will be turned slightly thicker. That is the correct consistency of the hot chocolate. Stir the milk occasionally to avoid any lumps in it. If you have dark chocolate with you, you can add around 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate in this. But today I am using the store-bought chocolate. If you have chocolate with you, you can add it. Even you can use any store-bought chocolate like dairy milk or something else. This is completely optional. If you have chocolate, you can add it for extra creamy texture. Today I am adding around 1 tablespoon of choco chips in this. Let this choco chips also melt along with the milk. Look at the consistency of the hot chocolate. It's around 2 minutes and it's cooked perfectly. Now let's turn off the stove and serve it. I got 2 cups of hot chocolate using this measure. Try this hot chocolate at your home and tell me your feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let them also come to know how to make hot chocolate at home. If you want to see this same recipe in Tamil, I have given the link in description box. You can go and check our Tamil channel for this video in Tamil. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, you will get regular notification of our channel videos. Stay along with us for more interesting recipes and see you all soon with a new recipe. And this is Shenica signing off here. Stay tuned. Bye friends.